Come on, chat, power top. Rate on the best friend relationship, bro. Big woman thing.
Yeah. Yeah, they're my best fit. You know, energy that really can't force, you know, can't fake.
Facts, facts,
That
facts,
really.
facts, facts,
You know
facts,
what
facts,
I mean?
facts. Facts, bro, facts. Facts.
Thank you. All right, so guys, we reach. So change of plans. Yeah, we get a nice little suite. So it's a good girl. We get a nice little bed over here. So yeah, of course. Is well, I'm gonna turn around the camera. I'm turn around the camera. I'm not lie to you. My bestie have tears. When I say bestie, you have tears. You have tears. Come here. Come here. May I give me a kudo? Bestie have good tears.
You like it?
I do that. All right, so we're showing what one. All right, guys. So we get a nice little table, of course. Yes, we get a little mini fridge. Good girl can drink some tea and build some gas. So actually, build them girl off of my stress. Yes. So anyway, so let's stay over there. So watch him look up and down, up and down. AC him there, so worry about the AC like him the body. Oh. And him don't left out my wine. Him listen to me. Him know that I love wine. Like red wine at the jam done.
Yes.
So anyways, come back around, guys. Give me a look room tour. Talk shoot. Yeah. This is my bed. Want to look good. And this is bestie bed. Right? And bestie come we size out it right now.
You can't wear.
So this is my bed. And this is bestie bed.
Seriously, look this is here.
And this
You have a boy for me, it's can't wear.
what way? I don't know how you go wall, but you go catch one of your foot them on it. Anyways, come over here. So beautiful, guys. Of course, in man devil talk, true, look and good girl, and he make them know no man. Yeah, me deserve to be happy, no matter what I chat say. Anyways, over here, so you see the money tree, so me just wait for best if you put it in your wallet. I want him about me, you know. I want him, so me just wait for him put it in your wallet.
Damn, put the pipe in. We'll see it first. Safety first.
Safety first. Anyway, the bathroom is so nice, man. I like. And the view is beautiful. It's beautiful. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to the local tour, come back out right here. So, because I can't wait for to have myself a nice drinks and relax. So, we'll show you outside in a bit, and we'll go down there. And we're going to chill. Wow. Love you guys.
Now watch what people them want to say, yo. You see me?
Yeah.
Now watch what they want to say, yo. Just rate this affair. No joke. Just prank. Rate this affair, yo. Rate this affair.
Leave a watch for them, I say. We just live a life, that's it.
Brawling.
You know, me not like with them six, them act like say you can't have a man as a best friend. Like, no.
Yeah,
no.
like, me don't know what I'm to them, like, oh, I'm to the guys.
Like, you say, oh, you can't have a woman bestie, you can't have a man.
That me I say.
What kind of style that?
No easy, man.
Is it? Yeah. And when none of them did it, when me I go down in my stress, when me I tell you six, none of them
None
did
of
it for
them.
me.
None of them
You
not
see
did
me?
it.
And then man, you have to make sure say them did it for me, you understand?
Yeah, I bury your name, though, dog.
Yeah?
Where your name?
Expression.
Man.
Expression. I mean, expression. Watch now, bro. Now, thing, bro. Me see it say, yo. And you rate your company and you did it for your bro. Just did it for your bro. Genuine, bro. Now watch what nobody want to say, bro.
No, bro, you know, we don't watch talking on the street and them thing there.
Yeah, yo. Now watch what nobody want to say.
Yeah, true.
You see me?
Yeah,
Me rate this fear and no joke and me rate this fear, yo. Big woman thing. Me rate this fear. I want to mind tomorrow, you know. You just know, say, you carry her out and make sure say everything good with her. You carry her out. You know, if it does, you know, carry her out, make she enjoy herself. Have a look at drink. Can go down a raw bar.
I don't look today, so me I say.
Oh, that's
today,
it.
too good, I say, Mama, watch you know, me I pull up a foot, you know. You get to me, I say.
No, you don't call her mama, bro. People feel like someone dead. You say bestie.
Yeah,
I saw them. Yeah, bro. I saw them still, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
No call her, no say mama, cause I saw Jamie. When you call woman mama, bro,
Yeah.
you feel like say, yo, you're the girl dead. So you're trying to
Oh.
bestie, yeah, bro, bestie.
Yeah,
Bestie.
true, right through like night drew. Right through like night
You're
drew.
power that foot and you're active up in there, you know what I mean?
Bro,
Make sure you smile and enjoy yourself and them things, you see me?
Me rate that, bro. Me rate till you stand up the fear, bro. Cause all the people try to tear her down on the app, bro. And me rate till you stand up beside her, bro. You see me?
An
No,
idea.
good joke.
Yeah, she may say, she may believe, you know.
Bro, as a bestie.
You see me? Yeah, it's a bestie.
Yeah, bro.
My phone I got it out now. Right? We're gonna rock guy war. I get
You want to play one match?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna run, you know.
Yeah, man, can't play one match, man.
You want to show me what about it? Never got
Chat.
pick up one bottle of champagne.
Come on. Yeah?
We play one game together.
Chat, on the power tap the screen there, please, chat.
Kiss her, please. Why you wanna keep on top of kiss her, kiss her, kiss her?
Three times.
Chat, three, triple, triple,
No follow them, no follow them.
Nah, follow them.
And them same one I want, jacket, no follow them. Chat, triple chat, triple chat, triple.
Yeah, thank you, baby. Sky, thank you, baby. Use the triple chat.
Chat, them no money gonna chat. Chat, triple, 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 triple.
Use the triple, use the triple chat. Use the triple.
Come in, guys, come in.
Come on, chat, power tap. Rate on a best friend relationship, bro. Big woman thing.
Yeah. Yeah, they're my best fit. You have to, you know, energy type really can't force, you know, can't fake.
Facts, 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 facts. Facts, bro, facts, facts.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Double tap team.
Yeah, guys, everybody power tap there, please, guys. Everybody power tap. Power tap chat, power tap chat, power tap chat, power tap chat.
I want 6 man, never 2. One
Bro,
stick bash.
man.
Remember me tell you that here. Team, help me push up the score, guys.
Rate how she happy now, bro. Like no chat.
Yeah, tell us I keep happiness, I keep.
Brawling, bro,
Yeah,
brawling.
last time I don't want to hear she a cuss nobody, you know. Drink on
Yeah,
nobody.
bro, as a bestie, bro, as a male, bro, stand up in our life, bro, as a bestie, as a man.
Yeah,
bro.
You see me?
Stand up in our life as a man, bro, make sure you know, say anything, you know, do. You love
Even
it
somebody
alone.
a crosses, you just low crosses.
Yeah, bro, same so.
You see me?
Same so, bro, same so.
Yeah, man. Come in, people, show up his score.
Sometimes I wish we could have find a bestie, you know, bro.
Yeah, you
Wish we
need
could have
to
find one female bestie, bro. Wish we could have
find
find
one, G. You need one in your corner. You need one in your corner, bro. Believe me, bro.
Facts, we can't get it for me, bro.
Yeah, my dog. You catch me? Yeah.
No jokes, my dog, no jokes.
Yeah, man. People, show up his score.
Chat, one answer, chat, one answer, chat. Chat, one answer, chat, one answer, chat, one answer, chat. Chat, one answer, chat.
Guys, we can get a 1 heart. 1 heart, guys.
It's my gear back a follow. You alone there help me out.
Chat, 1 heart, chat.
Move and write a song, man, and not support
Momo,
me.
Momo, thank you, baby. Sky,
Nah,
thank
support
you.
me.
Hold on, then. Go first side. Wipe up.
Nah, support me out.
Momo, thank you, baby. Queen, Sky, thank you, baby. K, thank you. Chat, double chat.
Alright, Omar. Omar, that alone I can find?
Use it, vibe. Momo.
Chat, something else, chat,
Guys,
something else,
give me
chat,
some
something else,
money,
chat.
team. Use
Chat,
the double
something else,
chat.
something else, something else.
Thank you, baby. Sky, see you them, see you, babe.
Chat, something else, money gone Taylor, thank you. Chat, something more.
Come on, guys, use this, chat.
Chat, right, that's them there in the chat. Chat, something else, something else.
Come on, chat. Use the chat.
No girl best in over here can help
Queen,
me.
thank you,
Bust
baby.
around,
Thank
you know.
you.
Chat, something, chat, no,
What is it? What's Queen? Thank you for the finger heart, Sky. Thank you, baby.
Chat, nothing for me.
Come on, team. Queen, thank you.
Now you keep me firm and strong.
Yeah, man, running man, don't change it.
Brawling, man, brawling. And you mind the phone drop in the water, girl?
I protect 6.
Yeah, girl, protect it, man, drop in the water.
Alright, see there. Come on, guys, we need a snipe.
Chat,
Focus,
go on the
team.
screen, the chat.
Me and 6 this in the chat. Come on, the chat. Guys, give me a
Come on.
snipe. GG. Ooh, happy too, thank you, baby.
Daniel, accept my request, girl. Thank you.
Come on, guys. Everybody, team. Guys, we need a money gun in our galaxy. Soon here, our story time. Guys, come on, don't rush it, team. I'm here
Yeah.
together, I know. We are work together, I know. Chat, give me a money gun. Chat, a galaxy. We need a snipe.
Follow me back. Accept my request. Jesus. Daniel, EXO. You're my bestie. Thank you.
Man strong. Chat, snipe. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Snipe. Come on, please, thank you for the money gun. I'm gonna follow you. Come on, chat, snipe.
Comment, like, share, and follow for more.
Nice. Wow.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.